Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Triple Junction. I am S.S. Sendilvel, Director of Triple Group of Companies. I have 23 years experience serving all the medical tourists coming to Chennai. Today we are going to discuss about why an international medical tourist has to select India for his medical treatment. That too, why Chennai in India? Friends, you all know India is a country having various cultures. India is the safest country to have a medical treatment. We have our neighbors like Bangladesh and Sri Lankans who come here for medical tourists. They will be having the same culture over there. You can see it over here. They have the same language also. Okay, come, let's go to the next point. Apart from culture, apart from safety, which we are having in our country, we have too many specialty hospitals. We have too many multi-specialty hospitals. We have too many singular specialty hospitals. We have too many multi-specialty clinics. We have too many superb doctors available here in in India. Apart from this, you can select from a long list of hospitals where you want to go. Next, quality is the best. We are having the best. India is having the best technology in medical treatment. The latest technology is being followed in India. We have NABH aggregated hospitals in India. We have JCI aggregated hospitals in India. You can choose list of hospitals. Next, we have very qualified doctors available here in India. They are the best in the world. They can compete with anyone in the world. Next, there's no waiting time in India. Imagine a patient having a cataract surgery and has to wait for another 6 months or 4 months or 5 months for his turn. In the European countries, that does not happen in India. If you have a problem with you, come over here, get it treated immediately and you can go back immediately. That is the duration taken for a treatment is too short in India compared to other Western countries, compared to other American countries. So I have talked, it's a very safe country. I have talked, you can choose from a long list of hospitals from here. I have said we have the latest techniques over here from here, and I said you can choose from the specialized doctors available over here, and you no need to waste any time in India. These are the major points you'll have to take in your mind before choosing the country you have to go in. So India is the best. Apart from all this, India is the cheapest country in India doing medical services. I can guarantee you will save 75 to 80% compared to the European countries and the American countries. Surely 80% saving for you if you take a treatment in India compared to European countries, but you will get the same quality treatment as per Europe, and you will be having the same quality doctors, same quality infrastructure available here in India in a cheaper rate. Almost you will be saving 80%. That is my conclusion, that is my findings all these 23 years. Say if a surgery takes 2 lakhs over here, I guarantee you it will be taking 10 lakhs over in a European country. And in India, all the other cost, say your lodging cost, your travel cost is all very cheap. So concluding, you will be saving 80% for sure if you take a treatment in India. Okay, now let's go to Chennai. Selecting India, okay. Then why Chennai? Chennai is the medical capital of India. Chennai is having the maximum walk-ins compared to all the other cities in India. Chennai is having 45% of the traffic, that is international medical tourist traffic, Chennai is having. You know why? Chennai once again is a very safe. Whichever religion you belong to, whichever country you belong to, whichever caste, whichever community you belong to, you can live in Chennai. When you can live in Chennai, why not treatment? it is very easy over here. It is the safest place in India to get a treatment. And apart from that, as I said earlier, you have a long list of hospitals to select. You have NABH aggregated hospitals in Chennai, you have JCI aggregated hospitals in Chennai, as well as you have the best doctors available in Chennai. I can give you a long list of hospitals wherein you can choose from. There are 300 international patients who are coming to Chennai on average daily. Just imagine the crowd, 300 patients a day. They trust Chennai because Chennai is having the best hospitality services for an international patient. Welcome to Chennai, welcome to SSS. Thank you. Namaskar. All my suggestions, all my advice, all my opinion only suits for an international medical tourist who comes to Chennai. It does not suit for a regular tourist, it does not suit for the public also. This is a disclaimer. Thank you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share it to the needy. Thank you.